gotta cut the air conditioner. You know you're supposed to cut the air conditioner when it storms, when it's raining and stuff. Mine is off, so. If I was y'all, see this air conditioner I got? It's very, very good. I'd cop that if I was y'all. It is very, very good. It's worth the price. It's better than my old air conditioner. And if I was y'all, if you see it's thundering storms and raining, cut your air conditioners off. Save energy that way. Better than condensing. That's a tip. See, my air conditioner is off. Why it's rain, thunder, storm, it is off. That's the tip for this summer. Immediately when you see it raining like this summer, air conditioner's off. Cut it off, people, to save money. Just a little tip I want to give y'all. It's on YouTube. Tell you when it's thundering and raining, cut your air conditioners off. Save money. Mine is off. I don't get why it's raining though. Why they cut it off while it's raining or thunderstorm or thunder? What does that do? What's the big deal about that? My Wi-Fi out. It's raining. My Wi-Fi out. It's raining. It knocked me out.